Rewards are really important in order to progress in any game. So in this video, I'm going to explain you how you can easily maximize daily rewards in Game of Thrones KingsRoad. So it's super simple and under a minute. So let's go straight to it. So I'm just going to explain you how you can do it. So daily rewards, as I said, in KingsRoad Mobile are easy to get but often really overlooked. So make sure you log in every day to claim login bonuses, quests, and event rewards. Complete daily missions early so you don't run out of stamina later. Prioritize high value rewards first, like hero swords, gold, or event add-ons. So make sure you also complete event quest and daily quest in order to get the daily rewards easily. So following a daily routine ensures consistent progression and keeps your resources stacked, which really helps you long term in the game. And that's it, super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.